Ayo. Iya, I've always wondered about our people's history. Where did we come from? Ah, my child, the story of the Yoruba people is a long and rich one. We originated from the city of Ife, where our ancestors lived and thrived. Our ancestors were skilled craftsmen, farmers, and traders. They built a thriving city with a strong sense of community and tradition. Our culture is built on tradition and respect for our elders. We value our heritage and pass it down from generation to generation. Our traditional clothing, such as Eso Oke and Adire, is an important part of our identity. We have a rich history, including the Great Oyo Empire, which was a powerful and influential kingdom in our region. Our people were skilled warriors, traders, and diplomats. Our traditions are an important part of our identity. We value respect for elders, the role of women in society, and the significance of traditional art and craft. Our festivals, such as the Egungun Festival, are an important part of our cultural heritage. Our strong sense of community, our love of storytelling, and our rich cultural heritage set us apart. We are a people who value our roots and our traditions. Ayo, I'll do my part, Iya. I'll learn more about our culture and share it with others. That's the spirit, Ayo. Our culture is our identity, and it's up to us to preserve it. Let's continue to celebrate our heritage and pass it down to future generations. I will, Iya. Thank you for teaching me about our people's history and culture. You're welcome, my child. I'm proud of you for taking an interest in our culture. Remember, our culture is our strength, and it's what makes us who we are.